what are some of the best AI tools that you can use in your business? That's what we're going to talk about today on League of Hustlers. Welcome to the podcast, ladies and gentlemen. And today we're going to be talking about AI tools. We're going to be talking about AI image generators, AI video generators, voice transitioners, all types of AI tools, design tools, image tools. I think I said that already. Presentation tools, all types of AI tools that we can start using today to implement into our business. Why? Because this is the new wave, ladies and gentlemen. All right. AI is going to disrupt our lives, whether we like it or not. It's already here. It's already being done, and it's already been here for a while. I went to McDonald's the other day, and I walked up to the counter, right? The person behind the counter looked at me like I was crazy. I turned around, and there was other people standing around too, and they were looking at me like I was crazy. And then I thought about it. When I walked in, there was this big screen, right at the door almost. And someone was there placing their order in. And I was like, oh, I'm supposed to go and place my order on this screen. So
Right.
AI is starting to replace cashiers. You see what I'm saying? So this is something that's going to be, taking an effect. So we want to go ahead and make sure that we position ourselves to be in a great place to take advantage of AI in the same manner that some of these other places are doing. All right.
Right. Super cool stuff happening, man. And you just want to make sure that you are taking advantages of these tools and implementing them in your business, because if you're not, your competition is going to have the leg up on you for sure. We're seeing a lot of this happen actually with the whole COVID thing, right? The businesses who were prepared to implement and ready to implement new, strategies, new tools and things like that to interact and with their customers, they stayed open. They were able to, a lot of businesses made more during the pandemic and a lot of businesses suffered.
Right.
So with that in mind, you want to be prepared, to be a part of the transition, take advantage of some of these tools. Let's go ahead and get right into the list, right?
Yep.
Number one, Chat GPT. You've heard of it by now. You've had to have heard of Chat GPT. A lot of people think that this is going to replace Google. I
Right.
don't know. I don't know. But
Tall order.
essentially, you know, you see the introduction here. All right. A trained model called Chat GPT, which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for Chat GPT to answer questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. So essentially, it's interacting almost like a human would in some degree in a conversational way. If you
Right.
haven't tried it out, definitely do it. There's a lot of good use cases for this tool for businesses. A lot of the chat bots that you see on websites now, the conversational chat bots, a lot of those were based on old models. Newer models now can take advantage of the Chat GPT functionality and
But what ways can we use this though? How can we implement this into our business today? Let's
right.
get
So yeah, so that right there alone, right? If you have a tech savvy person that has equipped with the tools that can implement this in a conversational chatbot on your site, that way you can have someone answering questions based on your business on a 24-hour basis. You can use it to create content. You can say, hey, Chat GPT, give me a 2,000 word blog on, Doberman pinchers and how they love to play catch, or just anything. You can use it to.
content like email newsletters,
Right,
social
exactly.
media.
Yep, exactly. Email reviews. I use it for, like, if I'm giving a review, if I need to give somebody a review, I tell it to, hey, write me a 100 word review based on this service. Make sure it's exceptional. Boom, copy, paste. Anything that you need to
Right.
really generate copy or text for, you can assign it to Chat GPT and it will generate it for you quick.
Make sure you test it though. Make sure you proofread it and all of that.
And that's exactly what I was about to say. Make sure you review the text to make sure it's in alignment with what you actually want to put out.
Yeah.
Next up on the list, though, Synthesia.
Yeah, so Synthesia allows you to create professional videos in 15 minutes or less. All right. So basically what you're going to be doing, imagine taking a script and just putting it in this service, this tool, and it will create an AI person, and you can choose the different types of people, and it'll sit there and talk. Right. So imagine you wanted to do like a YouTube channel, right? You didn't want to be on video, but you wanted to have, an actual face showing on the video. Okay, so what this tool will do is it will take your script, right? So you can write a script in Chat GPT, put it into Synthesia, and it'll be an actual person sitting there talking about whatever the topic is of your script, right? This is crazy, right? And the people aren't real people. They're made up AI people, right? So this is why we say, like, we got to be on the trend, right? This stuff is coming fast and it's coming down the pipeline quicker than we realize. It's here already.
Right.
This tool will allow you to basically have a person talking about whatever you want them to talk about. Crazy.
Right.
All right, what's next?
Yeah. Use cases for this though, man. Real quick.
Yeah.
So you already mentioned YouTube. Think about social media content. Video is real big on social media now. You can use something like this to generate your social media content. You can use something like this to display videos on your website. You can use something like this to create training manuals or training materials for people in your business. You can do something like this in your ads. If you're running ads, anything that you need an actual or would prefer an actual person to be speaking, you can use this for. Super cool tool. All right. Next up, Pictory. Video creation made easy. All right. Automatically create short, highly shareable branded videos from your long form content. Quick, easy, and cost effective. No technical skills or software download required. All right. So if you have that long form content like a YouTube channel, something like that, and you want to create, essentially it's like a video editor, right? Opposed to having someone or paying someone to, hey, watch this whole video, this 30-minute YouTube video, and create shorts out of it, create social media clips out of it. Find the best snippets that we want to, create an advertisement out of or something like that. You can use a tool like this to go in and do that for you, right?
Yeah, scroll down a little bit and see on this one, scroll down some more. It'll take, this is another really powerful one too. It'll take basically like any marketing video that you can kind of think of. Right, the traditional types of marketing materials that you can think of, it'll basically take your brand, your colors, your this, your that, like your pictures, images, and it'll create a marketing video off of what you put into it, right? One key thing I want to point out here with all of these tools, you still have to have a base level knowledge, right, of stuff, if you will. Like you still need your logo, but you know what? There's probably an AI tool out here that can create a logo for you, right? You still need your brand colors, but there definitely are tools out here that will create the a color scheme for you, right? So the thing about it is that where we're moving towards, you need the skills to be able to pull all of this stuff together.
Right? Exactly.
And the frequency and the amount of content that's going to be created, that's where the magic lies within all of this. We're about to see an explosion of content coming out using ChatGPT, using these other tools, image generators, and so on and so forth. We're mark my word, we're going to see an explosion of stuff coming out. And so this one in particular will take your logos, your images, and things like that, and create actual videos for you, marketing videos for you. This is crazy, I'm telling you.
Right. So like those branded, I guess maybe like a little infomercial, right? Something you would
Yeah,
see on somebody's website, you
yeah,
know. So yeah, definitely that's super cool, man, right? Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah. So